Wetherspoons right now, and I haven't actually started this vlog yet because I don't know, I just forgot. And I'm sat at the table moon, which is why it's kind of really awkward to vlog. But yeah, we're in Taunton for the day because Emma needs a new clarinet and there's a music shop here. So we've just been doing that, and now we're having lunch, and then we're gonna go around Taunton. Another lovely day. I'm so happy. But basically yesterday's part of the vlog didn't really turn out as planned. Like I had this plan, it was going to be like its own vlog, so I'd have even more videos to upload, but turned out I didn't really vlog much. But today I'm wearing these adorable dungarees that I love. I got them yesterday. I'm going to show you possibly later what I got. I did a little bit of shopping in Primark, but I didn't get that much just because there wasn't loads I liked. But today I'm spending the morning doing some work and just like, yeah. And then this afternoon we're going to the beach with Emily and her family and my family, and it's going to be amazing. So yeah, the majority of the vlog will be that. I'm so excited. I just want to go now. It's so nice outside. I'll show you. It's so sunny. So we've made it to the beach. It's so nice. Emily's looking at me like the wrong way round. We've now arrived at the beach, and there's Lorna, and then Heather's for riding.
I said that you're an idiot.
Lauren thinks I'm an idiot. Please, Heather, don't put this on. Cause yeah, there's Heather doing her revision. Lauren, shut up. She thinks vlogs are boring. They aren't, are they? Comment down below if you think vlogs are boring.
Like, dislike if you think that vlogs are boring.
It's vlogs though, not vlogs.
I said that.
I dislike you by video. Don't dislike it, dislike it. She's sat in a hole. Yesterday because I realised I haven't done it. So I got these Hogwarts pyjamas, and then these dungarees which I showed you earlier, and the cutest thing which I'll just get 90, excuse PLL in the background, with Disney patches all over, and I love it. And I also got this lazy arm thing where you can clip in your phone, and that is. This vlog isn't very long, but I'm going to end it just because it's quite 2 nice days in one, and I don't really want to like have a whole week added to this. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. Bye.